If I only had 30 minutes a day to grow my business, I'd use Atlas, OpenAI's new AI native browser. Think Google Chrome, but it remembers, automates, and acts inside the web you already use. Check this out. Atlas is hunting viral hooks, going to drop them into a fresh Google Doc. Then it'll draft the outline while I'm working on another project. In a minute, I'm going to give you the exact prompt and 8 plug and play use cases to scale towards 6 to 7 figures. Because the way you use AI just changed. If you're on my 70,000 strong email list, maybe you've read my book, The Wolf is at the Door, or downloaded my free 40 Wild ChatGPT Hacks guide from the link below. You know my goal is simple: turn AI rookies into future makers. So let's start with something simple: content creation. To get started, download Atlas, select Agent Mode, and ask it to hunt today's breakout hooks and drop them straight into a Google Doc. Once it's done that, then prompt it to find unique angles within your niche to start working on a viral video script. Then prompt it to add it all to the same document so it's all in one place for you. You're going to notice it's creating tabs on the left of the screen within the Google Doc to make navigation easier for you. You're going to need this prompt to get started. Screenshot it or grab it from below. Now it's time to kill tab hell. If you're anything like me, you'll have 20 tabs open on a good day in fear that you're going to forget a task that you're working on. Thankfully, Atlas can reopen, recall, and act on your past browsing history. For example, ask it what you've been working on today based on your browsing history. Then, to take it even further, ask it to see which of those tasks can be fully automated for ideas on how to better streamline your business. It's going to scan your history, tell you what you've been working on, then it'll give you an automation plan that you can then execute. For this, you're going to need this screenshot. Now, speed is great. Let's make speed pay so it shows up in your bank account. This week I launched a new landing page for my AI book, The Wolf is at the Door. Instead of guessing how to optimize this page, I had Atlas pull the latest conversion research and apply it to this exact page. Headline clarity, offer framing, social proof placement, from friction, mobile readability, load speed, the works. This is years of conversion rate optimization experience condensed into minutes and tied to a test plan I can run immediately. To do this on your site, open your website in Atlas, enable agent mode, and run this compound prompt. Now that Atlas is handling the heavy lifting, let's clear the noise that keeps you from seeing what matters most in your business. I've got an old Gmail account where the promotions tab turned into a landfill, so I asked Atlas to do something simple and measurable. Unsubscribe from 10 senders I haven't opened in the last 6 months, then hand me a short report of what changed. No more tab hopping, no manual hunting for tiny unsubscribe links, just a quick cleanup so the important emails actually surface. Here's the prompt I used. Now that your inbox is quieter, sharpen the words you do send without leaving the page. Highlight any rough draft, Gmail reply, Google Doc, LinkedIn DM, and have Atlas rewrite in your voice with clear guardrails. No copy and paste, just better words where the work lives. This is great if you're editing social media content before you hit post. Just navigate to the page you're editing on and hit the Ask ChatGPT button top right hand corner. Now that we've streamlined editing, the next is spend smarter. Before you smash the buy now button on a new computer or office equipment, make Atlas do the homework for you. Tell Atlas exactly what you need. Say you need a new computer with video editing capabilities. Ask Atlas to find you the top 5 options within your budget. This saves hours and hours of research and prevents buyer's remorse. But here's an important side note. You'll notice that I'm not personally going to these sites, AI is. This results in what's called zero-click searches, which means some businesses will lose out on the opportunity to capture lead and make a sale. I predicted this 2 years ago in my book. Well, now here it is. Make sure you watch my other videos to start preparing your website for this as soon as possible. Okay, so now you're making smarter purchases and saving money, and you've cleaned up your inbox plus so much more. Now it's time to give your audience some great ideas. To do that, it's time to stop guessing. Let Atlas tell you what your audience will care about next week. Tell it to sweep your niche across Reddit, Substack, and YouTube, then turn the noise into a posting plan that you can use today. This is how you begin to set the pace and not chase it. For this, you're going to need this prompt. All right, so you've got next week's topics locked. Now make sure people can actually find you. Ideas without discovery are just drafts. If they can't find you, then they can't buy from you. With your website open in an Atlas tab, run this compact audit to reveal SEO gaps you can fix today. Screenshot this prompt to find opportunities to get coverage, not just on Google, but also in AI search engines like Perplexity AI, where traffic clicks may be lower, but purchase intent is much higher. There you have it. Use these 8 strategies to build your edge before everyone else catches on. And if you're ready to go deeper, you already know where to find the playbook that's helped thousands of entrepreneurs go from AI rookies to future makers.